Poor audio can make even a great video difficult to watch. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce background noise and improve voice clarity using AI, helping your videos sound cleaner and more professional. Unwanted sounds like air conditioners, traffic, wind, you name it, can distract viewers from what you're saying and make your content feel less polished. While professional audio restoration tools exist, most people aren't looking to become audio engineers. They simply want their voice to sound clearer without spending hours adjusting complicated settings or learning specialized software. That's where AI audio enhancement can help. By automatically identifying and reducing common background noises, AI can improve the clarity of your recordings with minimal effort, making it easier for viewers to focus on your message. First things first, make sure you have the UniConverter, because that's what I'm going to use. You can grab it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then open the noise remover tool. In this tool, everything works automatically. All you need to do is import the video and audio files with noise, then select an output folder and click on Export All. Now, a little disclaimer, be reasonable with the kinds of files you want to work on. Extreme noise that distorts the useful audio like speech, is almost impossible to remove without hurting the original audio. Okay, so while it's processing the files, let's check out the noise in the files I'm working with. Executives, everything on their behalf. Our copy trading platform is the result of a base image for your generated image. For example, if it's a word. As you can hear, the noise in these are definitely there, but it's constant and it doesn't mess with the normal audio. And that's why the processed files will be perfect. Let's listen to them. Returns without having to track charts or manage the trades the system executives, everything. Here you can import a base image for your generated image. For example, if it's a World Cup watch party image. As you can hear, the noise is gone and the speech isn't greatly affected either. So that's it. With just a few clicks, you can reduce common background distractions and make your recording sound clearer and easier to listen to. If you like this video or found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.